Hereditary unit, 7th grade vocabulary, Mrs. Raos-Marconi. Allele, variations of a gene relating to the same trait, like the tall and short versions of the gene for height in garden peas. Dominant, an allele that produces the visible or measurable trait in an organism and is expressed over recessive genes. Dominant alleles are represented by a capital letter. Example, capital letter T. Genotype, the genetic makeup of an organism's combination of alleles. Homozygous, possessing two copies of the same allele, both dominant or both recessive for a specific trait. Example, capital letter T and capital letter T, or lowercase letter t and lowercase letter t. Heterozygous, possessing two different alleles for a specific trait. Example, capital letter T and lowercase letter t. Phenotype, this is what an organism looks like as a consequence of its genotype, the physical appearance of an organism. Recessive, an allele that is expressed only when the dominant allele is not present. Recessive alleles are represented by a lowercase letter. Example, lowercase letter t. Trait, a feature or characteristic of an organism that can be tested for or observed and is controlled by genetics. Genes, the basic physical and functional unit of hereditary, made up of DNA. Hereditary, process of characteristics transmitted from parent to offspring. Thank you and enjoy your day.